Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got another review for you. Today we're going to take a look and unbox the Mobvoi Home T4 226 household electric treadmill. Here we go. So inside the box, obviously, the star of the show with a stunning display. Look at that for a treadmill, guys. You gotta say that looks cool. Inside the box, we got a spanner, we got the emergency stop cable things, some Allen keys, the plug, I believe some feet, some 3M double-sided tape, and instruction booklet. Let's get it set up and go through some features. Firstly, to get the treadmill up and running, we need to get our Allen key each side and unscrew this, and then should be able to lift this bit. Once we've got this into position, we're going to tighten them bolts again. Once we've got that bit secured, we need to get this bit secured. So you pull it up like so. Then you get these bolts that are included with it, and they go screw into those holes there using the Allen keys provided. Once we're all together, we can lift our lovely display up like so. Comes with this little drinks holder, I think that's what it is, which slips into there like that. So yeah, you can hold a drink into there. Obviously though, try not to spill water on the panel. I wasn't quite sure at first what the sticker was for, but then once getting it out the bag, I see it's a little grip mat which sticks in there, so then you can place your phone or other devices on there without them slipping. Comes with some lubricating oil. Lastly, we've got our emergency stop cord, so that fits on the middle there, and obviously you can clip that onto yourself. And of course, we all know, pull that off, the machine will stop. Just a few key points, guys. This is a home-size commercial treadmill. Powerful and compact without being compromised. Adaptable for various fitness levels, supporting activities ranging from leisure, walking to intense running. Redefining luxury in home fitness, cutting edge design. As you see, it was easy to set up, which means it's foldable and easy to store. Also comes with these feet, so that makes it an adjustable incline. Also with this, you get virtual running experiences. Swift and Kino Map is supported. You get AI and ChatGPT based AI coaching. You get smart integration with fitness tracking devices, Wear OS and Smartwatch supported. Watch your favourite videos or shows while working out in the comfort of your own home. This has a 5-layer running belt. There's multiple layers of cushioning for safe and comfortable running experience. As I like to call them, kettle plugs right in here. You've got on and off switch here. I'm in the UK, so I have a 3-pin plug which goes into here. Let's turn it on and have a look at the screen. As you can see, we've got a nice big display there, guys. So first, starting with this, got a speed button. You've got a number 3, a number 6. You can decrease the speed, increase the speed, start, pause, and stop. So if we press start, get a countdown, and then we press the 3, that will automatically put it on speed 3, and then of course you can go straight to 6 without adjusting the speed down or up. And then obviously, faster you want it, this will go all the way up to 12. And of course, I don't recommend doing this unless it's an emergency, but if you do need to stop quick, just pull your cord, and as you can see, it'll instantly stop. This also comes with Bluetooth, although you can have your phone on there, you know, into your headphones, whatever. You can also have it coming out of this thing. So all we have to do to pair it is keep hold of this button for a few seconds till it bleeps. Then go to your menu on your device and look for the TM Ultra, connect to it, and then you can play your sounds right out of this bad boy. It carries on. Alright, snap in. And that is what you can expect the sound to be. Seems quiet this afternoon. If you're someone like me that's on a bit of a health kick, don't really fancy going to the gym, want to exercise in the comfort of your own home, then maybe this is something you're looking for. Maybe you need a new treadmill as it is, and this could be ideal for you guys at an affordable price. As always, links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Take care and happy exercising. Peace. Oh baby, that felt so good.